Hello, welcome to another episode. In this episode, we are going to talk about one of the essential exponential equation that will help you to understand exponential equation better. It says that 5x plus 5x is equal to 100. That's what we are going to break down in this episode. Before that, could you please like, share, and subscribe this episode? That will help me a lot. Thank you. So let's proceed with equation. So let's try to find out the value of x. So the given term is, like I said, 5x plus, 5 to the power of x plus 5 to the power of x is equal to 100. So what we can do is 5 to the power of x, this is a given equation, right? 5 to the power of x plus 5 to the power of x is equal to 100, right? So to find out the value of x, what you can do is you can factor out the common factor, which is 5x, basically 5 to the power of x, okay? So which is, 5 to the power of x is, open the bracket, and then 1 plus 1 is equal to with 100, okay? Now what you can do is 5 to the power of x, this term is, as you know, is 2, right? Which is very simple. 2, 100. Then what you can do is you can divide both sides by 2. Okay, you can cancel this guy with this guy. Then we end up with 5 to the power of x is equal to with what? With 50. Okay, because when you simplify this guy, you will get 50, right? Now you can take a logarithm of on both sides. So meaning that the log of 5 to the power of x is equal to log of what? 50, right? Yeah, log of 50, okay? Now what you can do is you can move this guy over here. So you will get that x log of what? Log of 5, and then is equal to log of 50, okay? Now, what you can do is you will divide both sides by log of 5, okay? You will divide both sides with a log 5. You can cancel this guy with this guy. You will end up with a log of x is equal to log of 50 or 50 upon log of 5. And then now we can apply here a logarithmic rule, meaning that what I'm trying to say is log of a multiplied with b is equal to log of a plus log of what? Log of b, right? That is a basic logarithm rule, right? Now, what you can do is basically, as you know, before that, as you know, this 50 is what? Let me write over here, x is equal to log of 15 is log of 50 over log of 5, okay? Log of 5. What I'm trying to say is the log of 50, 50 is basically, as you know, that the 5 multiplied with 5 multiplied with what? So, right? Now you can plug this guy over here. Okay, let me move over here. So log of 50 over log of log of 5, right? Basically x is equal to, so which means log of what? 5 multiplied with 5 multiplied with what? Let me just write over here. I'm sorry about that, guys. So what I'm trying to say is x is equal to log of 50, right? Over log of uh, 5, right? So 50 means, like I said, you can plug this guy over here. So you will get that x is equal to log of 5 multiplied with 5 multiplied with 2, okay? Over log of what? 5, okay? Now what you can do is x is equal to, which means basically log of what? 5, log of 5, right? Then log of 5 plus, I'm sorry guys, so plus this guy is, and then log of what? 5 upon log of what? 5, okay? Plus log of 2 upon log of what? 5. Okay, that is what you will get. Now from this you will get 1, right? So x is equal to 1 plus 1 plus, okay, 1 plus, this guy is 1 plus with log of 2, right, over logarithm of what? 5, okay. Now x is equal to 2 plus log of 2 over log of what? 5, okay. That is what you can get. Now from this you can apply a log of this rule, a logarithm rule basically. So log of a over log of a over log of, what I'm trying to say is log of b is equal to log of what? Log of a, right? Log of a, b, right? That is what you can get. You can apply this rule over here. Now, what you can get is 2 log of what? 2 log of what? 2 plus, basically. It's supposed to be 2 plus log of 2, 5. That is our final answer for this logarithm equation. For this exponential equation. So let me know if you have any question in this episode. I'm happy to reply to you guys. So that's all for today, and then see you in the next episode. Have a good day. Thank you.